Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford F150 headlight bulb. Park on level ground, turn off the engine, and open the hood. Start by disconnecting the battery negative cable for extra safety if you prefer, then locate the back of the headlight assembly. Remove any covers, screws, or clips and have a flashlight ready to see tight areas while you prepare the replacement bulb. In this video, I will show how to change a Ford F150 headlight bulb. With the hood open, find the bulb housing and remove access covers or screws. Unplug the wiring harness carefully, then unclip or unscrew the retainer holding the bulb in place. Pull the bulb straight out without twisting, inspect the socket for corrosion, and clean the area if needed before inserting the new bulb in the same orientation. In this video, I will show how to change a Ford F150 headlight bulb. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your truck smelling great after a garage session. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change a Ford F150 headlight bulb. Carefully insert the new bulb into the socket and secure the retainer or screws without over-tightening. Reconnect the wiring harness and the battery negative cable if you disconnected it earlier, then turn on the headlights to verify operation. Check high and low beams, compare left versus right brightness, and make small adjustments to alignment if the beam pattern looks uneven.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.